The following is a training video on the FILER software system Date Check Manager. I'm going to quickly show you how it works to apply and track your dates. In this case, I'm going to open a brand new job assignment. I'm going to scroll down because what's going to trigger and apply these is going to be adding a job type. You see when I left clicked, I put enter, it's added date of loss, date started, date completed. This is just going to be a very basic example. We see now that we can track in here, we could put the date of loss. Let's say today's May 2nd, 2013, and then we could then click the date we start on this job, and then we can track and report it. So to now administer and show you how from training we would establish this. This is in the job manager. So I'm in the job manager right now, and we're on the job type. So in this case, I'm going to go to Fire and click Edit. So again, if I went a little too quickly, we're in job manager in the upper left, we're in job type, and we click on here. Now let's apply again. We'll go and look at Fire. So here's the type of loss is fire. We see date of loss, date started, date completed. So if I want to say decide I want to track, I can put date invoiced. So I put that in, date invoiced. And then I would hit save. So when I added my next fire loss, in this case this new job here, when I added another new fire loss, it would add and track the fourth date. Now what you want to do and what we would strongly recommend then is that you are actually going to track and follow the times, because you're going to have protocols that you want to follow with respect to this loss. So what I'm going to do here is so in this case on a fire job, what we could do is I'm going to show you how to apply the dates. So what we could do is we can start with from the date and time we get called, and then to the date and time we have attended. If we wanted somebody to call and attend within 2 hours, I would put 2. And now I'm going to hit save. So I'm building up a job date check. So on this case fire, on all the fire jobs, that's going to show in the screen we had earlier, and it's going to track that the goal is 2 hours. If I wanted to then add another job date track on say a fire loss, so we've got called to attended, so let's go, I could go fire, and this is from when we are first time we're date and called, to if the next if say we want to start on a fire loss, and if we wanted to be starting within 12 hours, I would put 12 and hit save. And now these particular time frames are going to be applied to every fire job, and they will be tracked. And where you would track them again would be right here off this screen. So if I put date and time started, if I drop and put in the time, and we started at 5 a.m., then it's going to specifically put the time in. I'm going to add the time to the date of loss. Again, what that will result in is you're going to be able to produce a report that is going to show which of your employees are meeting these goals. It will print out a full detailed report, and you'll be able to see how you're meeting your targeted protocols. And that completes the overview of how to add and administer the job date check.